Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to do the basic setting for this watch, Casio W218H, or this one is 218HC, so same module but different color theme. Okay, now we are in the timekeeping mode, and then you will need to press the mode button several times until you get this view, so the second is now flashing or blinking. And then for this one, you can reset the second using the top left button. If it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute, like this. But if it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute, like this one. Okay, now press the light button on the right side, and now we are setting the hour. You can change the number up by pressing the top left button, this one. Okay, and yes, if I want to go back to 21, then I will need to press and hold, and then press one by one until I get to 21. Okay, again press the light button, and now we are setting the minute. Same thing, you can only use this button to change the number up. So in this case, if I want to go back to 50, then I can just press and hold until, let's say, 40 something, and then press one by one to get to 50. Okay, press again the light button, and now we are setting the month. You can use the top left button to change the number up. So same thing. And then yes, I will set again to 11. Okay, press again the right button. And then we are setting the date now. So you can use the top left button to change the number up. And let me set to 22. Okay, wait. Okay, now press again the light button, and now we are setting the day of the week. This one is Friday. If you want to change, press this one, the top left button, like this, and yes, we get back to Friday. Okay, now press again the right button, and if you're done with the setting, you can press the mode button to get back to the timekeeping mode. And then for the timekeeping mode, you can change the time format by pressing this one, the top left button. So this one is 21:51. Press, and now is 9 PM 51. Okay, but now I will set as this one, the 24-hour format. Okay, and that's all for the basic setting of this watch, Casio W218H and also 218HC. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.